Hello, boys and girls. It's time for our daily word problem. Get those math thinking caps on. Here we go. Dr. Escoto had 6 lollipops on her desk. Later in the day, she found 4 more lollipops. How many lollipops does Dr. Escoto have now? Listen again. Dr. Escoto had 6 lollipops on her desk. Later in the day, she found 4 more lollipops. How many lollipops does Dr. Escoto have now? Okay, think about what this math word problem is asking you to do. Okay, what are we trying to find out? Will you need to add or subtract? Think about what numbers are important in our word problem. After you figure that out, down here in this box, this is where you will show your thinking. Think about a strategy that you can use. Can you use a 10 frame? Can you draw a picture? Could you use a number line? Could you do counting on? Think about a strategy where you can show us your thinking. After you show your strategy, then you'll get your answer. Write your answer on that line. And then down here is where you can write your number sentence that matches your work. I look forward to seeing your thinking. One more time, here's our word problem. Dr. Escoto had 6 lollipops on her desk. Later in the day, she found 4 more lollipops. How many lollipops does Dr. Escoto have now?